Did you know that sunlight isn't just about brightening your day? It's also an ancient remedy for countless ailments. Sunlight therapy, also known as heliotherapy, has been used for centuries to boost immunity, promote healing, and ensure your body produces enough vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. In today's episode of Kitchen Hospital, we'll dive into the science, ancient history, modern benefits, and myths surrounding sunlight therapy. Plus, stay tuned for practical tips on how to use sunlight safely for optimal health. The ancient practice of sunlight therapy. Sunlight therapy isn't a new discovery. Ancient Egyptians revered the sun as a god and believed it had the power to heal. The Greeks coined the term heliotherapy, using sunlight to treat skin disorders, tuberculosis, and even depression. And let's not forget the Romans, who built sunrooms in their bathhouses to soak up the sun's healing rays. 3000 BCE, Egyptians worshipped the sun god Ra. 400 BCE, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, prescribed sunlight for healing. 20th century, doctors used sunlight to treat rickets, a disease caused by vitamin D deficiency. Clearly, our ancestors knew what they were doing. But how does sunlight work its magic? Let's find out. The science behind vitamin D production. When sunlight hits your skin, it triggers a chemical reaction that produces vitamin D. This vitamin isn't just a nutrient, it's a hormone that supports calcium absorption, boosts your immune system, and even protects against chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer. Quick facts about sunlight. 90% of your vitamin D comes from sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight can produce 10,000 IU of vitamin D in fair-skinned individuals. But what happens when we don't get enough sunlight? That's where things get tricky. Modern-day benefits of sunlight therapy. In today's world, we spend most of our time indoors, leading to a global epidemic of vitamin D deficiency. Here's why you should step outside more often. 1. Bone health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones strong and preventing conditions like osteoporosis and rickets. 2. Immune boost. Sunlight activates immune cells, helping you fight off colds, flu, and even autoimmune diseases. 3. Mood enhancement. Exposure to sunlight increases serotonin levels, combating depression and anxiety. It's nature's mood booster. 4. Heart health. Studies show sunlight helps lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Cancer prevention. Moderate sunlight exposure is linked to a lower risk of cancers like breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Myths versus facts about sunlight therapy. Let's bust some common myths about sunlight therapy. 1. Myth: sunlight alone is enough to meet all your vitamin D needs. Fact: in winter or cloudy regions, supplementation might still be necessary. 2. Myth: you need to tan or burn to get vitamin D. Fact: a few minutes of sunlight on your skin is enough, no need for sunburn. 3. Myth: sunscreen blocks all vitamin D production. Fact: while sunscreen reduces vitamin D synthesis, you still produce enough with moderate exposure. 4. Myth: sunlight causes more harm than good. Fact: excessive exposure can harm, but moderate, timed exposure is beneficial. Safe and effective sunlight therapy tips. To enjoy the benefits of sunlight therapy safely, follow these tips. 1. Timing is key. The best time is early morning or late afternoon when UV rays are less harsh. 2. Start small. Expose your arms and legs for 10 to 15 minutes daily. 3. Protect your skin. Use sunscreen after you've had your vitamin D dose to prevent sunburn. 4. Balanced diet. Pair sunlight therapy with vitamin D-rich foods like mushrooms, fortified cereals, and plant-based milk. Sunlight therapy is truly a gift from nature. It's ancient, effective, and accessible to all of us. Start small, be consistent, and watch your health transform. Don't forget to consult your doctor if you have specific health concerns about sunlight exposure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more life-changing wellness tips. Remember, your health is in your hands, and sometimes, all it takes is a little sunshine.